Jess is back here. And today, I'm doing a toy review. So my mom got me some new toys, which I'm excited to show them to you and open them. So yesterday my mom, she bought me new toys, two new toys, two of the same type, and one is in a carton. Okay, let's open these. So actually, yes, they're real toys. So first one we should do is, I'm gonna do Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Moe. Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Moe. Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Moe. Okay, this it is. So this is the Hatchimals. It's the 1 dozen. Yes, it's the 1 dozen, and there is 50 to collect. Okay, that's cool. And let's open this. Okay, I might have to use this. It's from my brother's kitchen set. Okay, I only got a little bit of egg carton plastic off a little bit. Gosh, why is it so hard to open? Oh, finally. Okay, here's the Hatchimals collector's guide. Ooh. Oh! Okay, there are the eggs. There are the eggs with their wings. That's so cool. That's so cool. I like that. That's so cool. Oh! We have 3, not 2, but 3. 3. Guys, a hat that hatched while they were in shipping. Okay, that's so cool. So this lavender clear one is Swirly Lamour. Okay, Swirlies. There you go, Swirly. Ooh, we also have this one. This one's so cute. Here's Swirly, and this is probably Swirly's brother. They're all Swirlies, so we got the clear lavender Swirly, and then this one must be the clear blue Swirly. Okay, that's so cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. Swirly. Clear lavender swirlies. Okay. Wow. That's so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. Right here. I'm gonna put her back. Oof. In the egg carton. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open these eggs. Oh yeah, that's turned into pink. And then we have this swirly right here. Green and oh yes, oh no, this is this one. This one. Nice and glittery. I like that. Ooh. I literally thought I lost a wing here, but it's clear. That's so cool. This is what it looks like with the glittery wings. And here's the other one with the clear wings, clear wings right there. You can move it like this. You can move it like this, and this, and this, and this. Yeah, that looks so cute. And we have these glittery wings right here. I wonder who they belong to. Actually, yeah, we have 4. That's cool. We have this cute little penguin person right here. Well, actually, penguin Hatchimal, if you know what I mean. I wonder if we're gonna get the Wildies Pandora in here. We probably aren't because, you know, ooh, beautiful clear wings. Actually, look. They're gummy wings! That's so cool. Gummy jelly wings. What? That's cool. Okay. So let's focus on finding the penguin. He might be in the split section. Oh, Cloud Peningula. So she's the one with the beautiful heart wings, stuff like that. Cloud Peningula. Right there. Oh, she's rainbow wing. That's so cool. Right here, Cloud Peningula. Right there. Guys, comment down below if it's this one for Cloud Peningula. Either way, I'm just gonna put that on. Okay. We have here. We have this. Okay. Where is she? The wings will go here. And then we still have to guys, it might be the gummy one. Comment down below if it's the gummy one. It says her wings are like the blue purple. There's flowers. Guys, could it be this one? I honestly don't know. I'm just gonna put on the blue purple one because it looks good and pretty. I guess, but the blue pink one actually suits it more. I guess this is our only option then. Anyway, let's hatch the eggs. I rubbed this a little bit, so let's hatch it by rubbing it. Yes, defo turning pink. Oh, I got it. I see the hatchie. I see the hatchimal. I see the hatchimal. Guys, do you see the hatchimal? Not yet. We can't get the hatchimal yet, so we have to budge it out a bit. Oh, looks like we got it. Who is it? Oh, she's a unicorn. Okay. She's an orange unicorn. Okay, we have the yellow gummy ones right here for unity. Alright. Okay. Budge the wings in. There we go. These are the purple gummy wings, the clear gummy wings, the gold wings, the striped gummy wings, the night gummy wings, and the blue gummy wings. Alright, I'll open one of this now. I'm pretty sure it's for this one because I'm just going to prepare the wings right here. I already hatched the egg. Quite impressive. Yes, I knew it. And here's the new I want to see crack. New egg cracker. I'm gonna take out the plastic in the egg first. Alright, then squish it. Oh! Oh, I got some of it. And ow! Oh gosh, okay. Our second egg. This is a half bunny, it looks like. What is she? Oh, split bunny. I knew it was split bunny. I knew it was a split. I knew it. Alright, one of the eggs at the top. Oh, there's something in there. Hatching hatchimals are so hard. Oh! I cracked the egg. See who we got. We have a raccoon. Oh wait, no, it looks like a squirrel. That's cool. Oh, butterfly sweet glider. Okay. I can't believe it. So these are the wings. So cool. Oh my gosh, where's my other set? Sorry guys, I just had to get that other set right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 eggs left. Okay, so 5 eggs left. Alright, let's try and open it with force this time. Cracked it. I pounded it. Got it. Hey! We got a platypus. I think it's shimmer. No, it's not shimmer spangle. I'm just gonna put a random wing on. I'm just gonna guess that it's these wings right here because it matches. Open two at the same time. Let's cook them in a pan. Let's go to my kitchen. Alright, I'm at my kitchen. Here are the eggs. Alright, that's nice and washed. Next, we'll get them in a pan. This one got cooked well. Oh yeah, this got cooked well. Put the cat. Let's crack it. Oh, let's crack it with another egg. And hoping that that egg won't break. Do we seriously? Normally. Oh! Oh my. Oh! Ooh, we got another unicorn, it looks like. Okay, let's get the manual and see what type of wings they are. We have the manual right here. Let's crack the egg first. Fine. Let's crack the egg. I already cracked the egg. Let's try to give it a little warm hot. Like our little unicorn right here. Alright, I just cleared the eggshell. Here's our unicorn. Here's a cutie. Alright, first let's check these clear ones off. Glitter Unique. Okay, she gets the golden wing. Glitter Unique. Okay, Unique gets these wings. Oh my gosh, that's so glittery. Alright, next this dude. Please, you're a cat. Right? The last wings that are left here, I'm gonna give it to this dude, okay? Alright, we'll have this mer kitty next. That is to order these gummy wings, okay? These pair of wings. These are so cute. I think these are correct. I'm just guessing. Here is the complete egg portion right here. Close it up. The back, and there's a lot of mess. Now we clear for the next two. Yes, it's the double time. And we have the multicolored Play-Doh. definitely a lot of mess here from hatching a lot of eggs. So don't put them here. That's why. Exactly. Oh, that's a pop up there. Boom. Okay. We have yellow, blue, and white. Okay. Let's put them in a rainbow order. So first, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. We have this. Wait, no, this is actually light orange. And then light green. And blue. Let's see what it looks like. Next, baby blue, or should I say blue, normal blue, or clear. This is what it looks like. Nice texture. I like it. Dark blue or indigo. See? And green. Oh. Cylinder, not a cube. Oh my gosh, it's almost an hour left. Red. There you go. Lime green. It looks like yellow. Yellow. We forgot white. Of course, white. Alright. That's all for today, guys. And now I gotta clean up all this mess. Bye-bye.